Hi everyone and welcome to today's practice. Today I have a short Qigong routine for you that can really make a difference in how you feel just under 10 minutes. The exercises are easy to do, they're fun to do, and I hope you feel better at the end of it. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin. Stand up straight with your feet firm on the ground. Begin bouncing into your feet, creating a subtle vibration throughout your body. Keep your feet firm on the ground, your knees comfortably bent, your lower back is nice and relaxed, tailbone pointing down, your spine is long and your shoulders relaxed. Let your arms be loose. Release the back of the neck and mentally reach upwards through the crown of the head. Stay grounded through your feet throughout the entire exercise, but keep reaching upwards through your spine. Feel free to close your eyes here and bring your awareness to your body. I encourage you to feel every muscle in your body, to feel the joints, to feel all the tendons and glands. I want you to get comfortable and begin to let go. Let go of any tension, any stiffness and discomfort. Keep bouncing into your feet, staying very, very relaxed, enjoying yourself and observing the body. Then with a straight spine, turn to the side. Then through the center to the other side. Repeat one more time. Remember, stay as relaxed as you can. And return back to center. Then slowly come up on your toes. Continue to shake. Continue to feel the vibration throughout your body. Very good. Back down. Few more seconds here. And we relax. Slow it down. And just take a moment to feel what you've done. What changed. Very, very good. From here, bend your knees and interlace your fingers. Lift to the chest as you turn and press upwards. So look up. Remember to breathe normally here. Always inhaling, always exhaling as you hold. Relax the position, relax your neck and shoulders. And we're going to open through the fingers, out and wide. Go as far as you can, feeling that stretch across your chest, all the way. Go, 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 feel that stretch before you relax fully and soften your whole body. Just that extra effort as you go down. Go ahead and repeat. We open first, make sure your ribcage is lifted, chest is open, look up, release, and open. Drawing a big circle around your body. Going slowly so you can also feel the movement. This is the best part. And then relax fully and observe. Going to repeat twice more. Remember to breathe throughout the entire exercise. Never hold your breath. Stretch out. And relax. One more time. Go down, up, opening through the front. Release. And open. Here, I feel my arms long, extending far into the distance. Feel the same. And begin to relax and soften your entire body. From here, go ahead and lean forward. Place your hands on top of your thighs and make sure you stretch through your entire spinal column. Look down or slightly ahead of you. You may also feel the back of your legs. Just give it a good stretch. Slowly stand up and relax. Going back to the stance where you can fully let go, relax your lower back. Go forward again. Really bringing all the effort into lengthening through your back. Your tailbone is pointing to the back. The crown of the head is reaching forward. You have this nice straight line. Hold, hold, hold. And then slowly stand up. And feel this relaxation. Feel what's happening. Down your back into your lower back. Maybe even down your hips and legs. Very good. Go forward again. Taking your time to reconnect and to feel. Just holding this nice. Use your hands for support. Very acceptable, even advisable in this particular exercise. Just holding it in, opening through the back. Slowly stand up and relax, especially around your lower back. We do one more. Go forward. See how you feel as you hold this position. Naturally extending, naturally lengthening through the spine. Pay attention how you feel down the back of your legs as well. Slowly stand up. Soften your knees, relax your lower back. And really feel what's happening. Very good. Then interlace your fingers again, lift to the chest, press forward. Extending, opening through the upper back. Bring the hands back, turn, press out. Relax, turn to the side, and press upwards. Release, back to straight. Same on the other side, press out. Release, back to front, lean to the side. Back to straight. Remember to breathe. Back to straight. One more time, reach upwards, come up on your toes. And then release. Relax the entire body. Let your body weight sink down into your feet. From here, bring your feet closer together. Go ahead and raise up on your toes as you raise your hands up. Take a nice deep breath in, exhale. Release. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in one more time. And let it all out. Step out to the side. Nice deep breath in here. And then pour it down. Feel this wave of comfort caressing your body, smoothing it all out, releasing everything that doesn't serve you anymore. One more time, deep breath in. And let it flow. Let your hands stop near your abdomen and close just below your navel. And take a moment here to focus on yourself, to stay calm and fully present in your body. Notice how grounded you feel through your feet, the connection you have. Bring your awareness to your spine. Let your chest relax. Let your whole body be open, feel spacious and relaxed. Open your eyes and relax your hands. Finish your practice. Thank you for joining me. I hope this routine made a difference and you feel good in your body and in your mind. So enjoy the rest of your day, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.